What's going on, everyone? GG Kicks here, also known as GG Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5. To my left, your right, we got the PlayStation 2, the 3, and the 4, all in working condition. Got the OG right here of them all, the PS3, love it. And without further ado, man, let's see if I could even pick this up with one hand. This weighs damn near 100 pounds. It's almost like a computer at this point. It's huge. I didn't really check out reviews on it, so this is really going to be a genuine unboxing. I did obviously see the front picture. Like, I know what it looks like. I've seen the leaks and all that, but I never really watched an unboxing. So today is the first day that it actually released, and thanks to my brother, I was able to get this. He was the first to pre-order it at our local GameStop, so he got the #1 on it. So right here, you guys can see this magical piece of 825 gigabytes of storage. 2 Call of Duty updates, and this puppy is full already. So without further ado, man, I'm kind of excited. I wasn't excited in the beginning, but now that I brought out the old consoles, because I actually switched to PC Master Race, it's just so much better on my eyes, frame rate, etc. Not gonna shit on consoles this video though. It just brought back so much nostalgia, and just seeing this makes it even better. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I've been meaning to buy a knife for the unboxings, but I just keep forgetting. It keeps slipping my mind. So right here, brings a handle. Just pull it out. PlayStation logo on one side. So many compartments to this box. Okay, it has some instructions on actually how to. This thing brings styrofoam. Right, so at the top of the box here, we got your manuals in every different kind of language. Nobody really reads that, so throw that off to the side. Power cord. Wow, it's only one of the 2. Doesn't have a ground on it. That's surprising. There's no ground on there. It's just a regular, it looks like even your old PS4 one will fit. Also, some of the PS2 ones kind of use the same thing, so that's a good sign. Ooh, the controller. Okay, let's put the box down real quick. And here we got the new PlayStation 5 controller. Okay, I think I am getting a little fanboyish here. Why am I excited over joysticks? The triggers feel nice, not gonna lie. They feel very responsive. Let's take a closer look. So actually, you guys probably won't be able to tell. I might try to get it another close-up angle, but this back piece right here, the grip, if you really look in, you guys are gonna see the triangle, the X, the O, all that. Nuts. The details on this is nuts. The touchpad also feels a lot better from the previous generation. Have to dust off the old controller here. But here's a controller. Here's a PS4 controller and the PS5 side by side. PS5 is a little bit bulkier, but they kind of weigh the same, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Got your headphone jack in the bottom as well. Type-C, they changed it to Type-C. Finally. Yo, I used to hate charging it with this. It'll always break. I've had to open up my controllers probably like 2 or 3 times to try to fix that when I used to play a lot. Love that they went with the Type-C charger. Very dope touch. Okay, so it doesn't bring styrofoam. I thought it did, because in the picture it kind of looked like styrofoam. Ready for this? I mean, you guys have already seen this, but I haven't seen one in person. Ooh, this thing is a whole alien. Wow, you got your nice USB 3.0s. That's literally what I first noticed. You got a Type-C charger in the front, and also an extra USB port in the front. So 1, 2, 3 USB ports in total, 1 Type-C, so that's 4 connections right there. Great job, Sony. 1 HDMI. So no, there's probably no dual monitor support yet. All you gotta do is just add 1 more display there, but whatever. Then you got your Ethernet cable. And this thing is bulky, yo. Like, I'm curious to see what's inside and how they rearranged everything, because I actually built computers. So a console is basically the same thing, guys. It's just in a simple down version. They just get the manufacturers that make the PC parts, and they just custom make it to fit in here with more adequate cooling and all that. So they'll like lower the clock speeds and all that, so it doesn't really overheat. But I have heard rumors that this puppy right here has been overheating. Hopefully it's not all of your guys' consoles and you guys get to enjoy this. It really is a beautiful console, and it's huge. I'm gonna set it there next to the PS3. And as you guys can see, let's actually take a closer look. Before we get into it, it actually also does bring a stand. This is something that was never really included with the PlayStations before. So that's a nice little touch, Sony. So down here are your power and eject button if you guys do have the standard version. The digital version, I'd imagine, doesn't have the eject button. Type-C, USB, very dope touches. PlayStation logo, very nicely, it's engraved in there on the piece of plastic. Here's the HDMI that it brings. Nothing really too long or fancy. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you guys were able to cop this, if it was an easy cop or not. So here's the original PlayStation 4 side by side with the PlayStation 5, and you guys see that height difference. The height difference is crazy. So if you guys don't have a lot of desk space, I don't know what you're gonna do. Please do not put this underneath your desk cluttered. This thing needs air to breathe. It literally looks like an airplane. I can imagine once it gets dusty and stuff, it's really gonna sound like an airplane, because this PS4 right there, when it used to get hot, it literally sounds like a jet engine is about to take off. So imagine this alien look. This thing is a whole UFO, man. And here is the original PlayStation 3 as well, side by side. PS5 beats it in height by a lot. And then the old puny PS2, the original version, they made them even smaller after this one released. And here's all four of them combined. You guys can see the height differences. Sorry if some of these are a little dirty. They were literally in my closet, just thrown in there. I haven't played any of these systems in probably years. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys thought of this unboxing and what you guys think of the new PlayStation 5. Do you think the new design is dope? Do you think it's gonna be a spaceship once dust gets in here? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this overall. I believe this design is the best PlayStation design yet. Even though I really love the old PS3 design, this one just nails it, because it literally looks like a limited edition console, but it really isn't. It's for everybody. It's white. We haven't seen that in PlayStation, like from an initial drop to be all white. Since when? So this right here is something special. History in the making for sure, even though the specs aren't really that much of an upgrade of a PS4 Pro. They claim it is and stuff, but come on, man. We've been having all that technology on PC for so long, but I understand it. I get it. The comfortability, the versatility. You could pick this up, go to your girl's house, go anywhere, and you're good to go. You could take this on vacation. You can't really carry all that stuff around, so I see why people would still go for this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. From a design standpoint, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. For the functions and stuff, it'll be on my next video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another banger. We got technology reviews, we got sneaker reviews, we got computer reviews.